Oh no, what have I done? I think I'm just gonna mess my car up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy,
Okay, what is good everyone? It's DSG Panther here. Today we're actually going to be doing a little POV drive with a brand new straight pipe exhaust on the Polo GTI. So I'm just going to do a little walk around of what it sounds like and what I've done to it so far, and then we're going to get into the POV drive. So let's do it. Alright, so this is the Polo at the moment, guys. As you can see at the front, I have only put a black badge on and also the red overlay, and also these eyebrows from the freshest. They're actually only just gone on recently, so they actually look really cool, make the car look a lot better. And then as you come to the side, I've just replaced the badge with a black one. It's literally all the same, it's just black now. We've got a black sun strip on it, which looks a lot better, obviously 10 times better. Wind deflectors, which actually came with the car, so yeah, but they look really cool. Nothing on the sides yet. As I said, we have got springs coming and we will be blacking the wheels out. And then at the back is where the bunda is. As you can see, we've put this nice OEM Plus spoiler on. We've got the DSG Panther sticker, which might be coming off soon, because I kind of might go back to the black look. I got that from Decal Studios, so shout out to them. Anyway, got black badge on the back as well, red overlay. Diffuser from eBay, despite people getting it from Maxton, mine was from eBay. And then here we have the straight boy exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see under there. That is the straight pipe exhaust. But yeah, honestly, this car is looking sick at the moment. We just need to get them lowering springs on, and then we should be alright. Guys, we are now in the car doing the official GoPro video. So this obviously is my first drive with the straight pipe. Yeah, this area is probably quite good for it. Obviously, I do need to get a new GoPro. Please ignore the quality for now. But I just wanted to get this video out because I haven't really done much recently and I didn't want to get videos back. But yeah, this is the straight pipe. As you can tell, it is just mental. It's literally the most insane thing I've ever heard. Like, honestly, you're just not ready for it. Like, it just hits you all suddenly. Like, you don't really hear much, and then you just hear the fart, and you're like, what on earth has happened? Like, what have I done to this car? Like, it's kind of like a what have I done to this car, but at the same time, like, it's fucking sick. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh mate, honestly, it's so brutal and it's so sick at the same time. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but whoa, honestly, oh shit, where am I gonna go? Is he getting over? Honestly, man, it is mental. Like, it is a bit too much, but it's also 110% worth it. Like, I honestly don't care what someone says, it's 100% worth it. How can you tell me that that is not worth it? Oh my god, why have I brought my car down here? Oh no, what have I done? I think I'm just gonna mess my car up. Oh no, oh no. We have not gone down a very good route, I can't lie. I never go down this way, but the other way is so full of police cars, it's horrible. And I don't know why police squatters go down that way, but they do. For some reason, in my head, I thought this would be a better way to go, but clearly, that was a bad idea. Oh my days, this is so bad. Yeah, so basically on this straight pipe you get a lot more like pops on it as well when you're coming off. You get so many more pops, like, it's so much better. Woo. Honestly boys, anyone has a Polo, just go and do it. It is so worth it. Like, I couldn't care what someone says. This is 110% worth the pots and bangs. Like, I mean, not pots, but like the farts. It's 110% worth it. I don't know what they're doing here. Oh, whoa! Where are you getting farts like that from? Like, please tell me. Yeah, on the res delete was signal, but there's no way you was getting farts like that. It looks like they've chalked up the road down here. It looks a bit weird, you know. Look, there's like holes. They've dug like full-on brick roads. I don't really feel like going down any of them, so I am taking my time. I'm not going down a pothole fucking my car for a YouTube video. Sorry guys, I love you lot, but not that much. Then. Oh, fuck you. Woo. A lot of you lot have been saying recently that my car's slow, and I'm like, it's a Polo GTI, it's not a Golf GTI, right? The Golf GTI has probably another 40 horsepower on top of it. This has got 200 stock, so I don't know why people are commenting on my TikTok saying it's slow, but yeah, follow me on TikTok actually, just while I'm saying it, DSG_Panther. I do a lot of content on there. I also done a reaction with my mum the other day, but let me know if you want me to do a full YouTube video on my mum and dad reacting to our car, because my mum shot herself and it is loud as hell. So yeah, we've got a lot more mods coming, I promise. Honestly, I'm just taking my time with it because I don't really want to rush doing mods and then get bored of it in a year. Obviously, I'm not going to talk to you guys about how I pay for this car, but I did finance it. So yeah, so I've got this for at least another 3 to 4 years, and my plans are going to be mental with it. Obviously, I'm not going to keep the stock. I am going to be going a bit mental with it. Not yet, obviously. I'm trying to keep it tamed as much as I can without doing too much to it. Obviously, I only had it back recently because obviously I hit the Badger, and that just fucked the whole car up really. So I've only had it back not for long. So I'm just trying to not blow the gearbox up, because these gearboxes are crap in these cars. But yeah, honestly man, this car, and the exhaust has changed the way that this car plays so much. It just feels like an actual fast car now. The exhaust is just changed the way this car plays now. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here guys. I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Obviously I am trying to do more videos for you guys, so every Tuesday, every Friday, 7 PM. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.